This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss multiple choice questions from 11 till 20. So we will discuss them one after another. So we'll discuss the first one, and it is IDE stands for, option A is Intelligent Directory Environment, option B is Integrated Directory Environment, option C is Integrated Development Environment, and option D is Intelligence Development Environment. And the right answer is Integrated Development Environment. So this is how the IDE abbreviation should be taken into consideration. Number 12 is maximum lines in a GW basic program are. Option A is 0 to 3000. Option B is 0 to 5000. Option C is 0 to 6000, and option D is 0 to 65,529. Yes, the right answer is 0 to 65529 is the maximum lines in a GW basic program. Now number 13 is saving a GW basic file. We need a shortcut key for saving a GW basic file. The options are option A F1, option B F2, option C F3, and option D F4. Yes viewers, the right answer is option D F4. By pressing the F4 key you will be able to save a GW basic program into your hard disk. Now the 14th number is loading a GW basic file. So we need a special key, a function key for loading a GW basic programming file, and the option A is F1, option B is F2, option C is F3, and option D is F4. Yes viewers, the right answer is option C. F3 is the right answer. For loading a GW basic program we need F3 key to be pressed on the keyboard. Now the next number is number 15, running the basic program. So for running a basic program we again need a function key, and for that the option A is F1, likewise option B is F2, option C is F3, and option D is F4, and the right answer is option B F2. Yes viewers, by pressing the function key F2 you can run a program and get the output of it. So by pressing the F2 key, the high-level programming language, the code written and the program is executed and translated from high-level language to low-level or machine language, and you can see the output on the screen. Now the next number is option 16. The character set of GW basic comprises of. So now we are talking about the character set. The option A is Numeric Characters, option B is alphabets, option C is special characters, and the option D is all of them. Yes viewers, the character set of GW basic comprises of all of them, means it consists of numeric, alphabets, and special characters. Now the next number is the alphabetic characters. in basic language are option A to Z capital, and option B, A to Z smaller, option C, both of above, and option D, all of them. Yes, viewers, the right answer is option D, all of them. So the character set, alphabetic characters, consist of small as well as capital letters from A to Z. Now the next number is the numeric characters are GW basic programming language. Option A is 0 to 9, B A to Z capital letters, C A to Z small letters, and D none of them. So the right and the correct option is option A, 0 to 9, which are known as numeric characters in GW basic programming language. Now the next number is number 19, and it is predefined meaning word in a programming language. And option A is defined words, B constants, C reserved words, and option D meaningful words. Yes, viewers, predefined means the words which are already defined by the developer while developing the programming language, so they cannot be changed, cannot be modified, because once they are written they can be only used and they are already saved in the library files. So we can have the right option, option C, reserved words, which are used for predefining word in a programming language. And the last number is number 20, and it says that a variable name must start with an option A, alphabet, B, underscore, C, digit, and option D, alphabet or underscore. So it's very obvious that a variable name in any language in GW basic always start with the alphabets, from that can be a capital A to Z or can be a small a to Z. So I hope that you will like my video, and again now are getting the concept and everything is now clear to you by discussing each and every multiple choice questions with you guys in detail. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.